हाय गाइस, आज हम देखेंगे एमएस ऑफिस के टॉप 50 एमसीक्यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच वन इज अ टेक्स्ट एडिटर्स ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस डी, नोटपैड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच वन इज द डिफॉल्ट वर्ड प्रोसेसर्स फॉर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, वर्डपैड। Next question, what is the maximum size of a Word document create? Right answer is options B, 32 MB. Next question, totals numbers of functions keys in a computer's keyboard? Right answer is options B, 12. Next question, which key combinations is used to permanently delete a file or folder? Right answer is options A, shift plus delete. Next question, MS Office 2000 was developed by dash dash. Right answer is option C, Microsoft. Next question, founders of Microsoft company is dash dash. Right answer is options B, Bill Gates. Next question, Windows software was developed by dash dash. Right answer is options A, IBM. Next question, which of the following types of software is MS Windows? Right answer is option C, GUI, graphical user interface. Next question, backgrounds of screens is known as dash dash. Right answer is option C, desktop. Next question, what would you type in run Windows to open MS Word? Right answer is option C, winword.exe. Next question, what will be the shortcut key in Windows to perform cut operation? Right answer is options B, Control plus X. Next question, word processors that is the parts of Windows operating system. Right answer is options A, Adobe Photoshop. Next question, Microsoft Windows provides a graphics applications named. Right answer is options A, Paint. Next question, text editors that is the part of Windows operating system. Right answer is options A, Notepad. Next question, MS Word is a software of dash dash. Right answer is options D, Microsoft. Next question, which is the word processing software? Right answer is options B, MS Word 2007. Next question, MS Word is a dash dash software. Right answer is options B, word processing. Next question, the valid formats of MS Word is dash dash. Right answer is option C, dots, DOS. Next question, what program is used in MS Word to check the spelling? Right answer is options D, spelling and grammar. Next question, line spacings is in the dash dash of MS Word. Right answer is option C, home tab. Next question, what is the smallest width of a column? Right answer is option C, 0.5 inch. Next question, Which of the following is not an option in clipboard? Right answer is option D, page setup. Next question. Which file formats cannot be added to a Word document? Right answer is option C. Next question. Zoom in and zoom out buttons is available on. Right answer is option C, view options toolbar. Next question. The documents can be zoomed maximums up to. Right answer is option D, 500%. Next question. The shortcut key to open a new files in MS Word is. Right answer is options A, Control plus N. Next question. The shortcut key to undo an actions in a document in MS Word is. Right answer is option D, Control plus Z. Next question. The shortcut key to redo an actions in a Word document in MS Word is. Right answer is options D, Control plus Y. Next question. The shortcut key for paste selected text pictures in MS Word is. Right answer is option C, Control plus X. Next question. What is the intersections of a columns and a row on a worksheet called? Right answer is option D, cell. Next question. Which one is not a function in MS Excel? Right answer is option B, average. Next question. Functions in MS Excel must begins with dash dash. Right answer is option B, an equal sign. Next question. Which functions in Excel checks whether a condition is true or not? Right answer is option C, if. Next question. MS Excel stands for dash dash. Right answer is option C, Microsoft Excel. Next question. Free online versions of MS Excel is known as dash dash. Right answer is option D, Excel for the web. Next question. MS Excel 2019 has maximum columns width limits is of dash dash character. Right answer is options A, 255. Next question. Microsoft Excel was first times launched in dash dash by the Microsoft Corporations. Right answer is options B, 1985. Next question. Formulas in Excel starts with dash dash. Right answer is options D. Next question. MS Excel's files cannot be directly exported as dash dash. Right answer is option C, PPT. Next question. The intersections of a columns and a row in MS Excel's worksheets is known as dash dash. Right answer is option B, cell. Next question. In Microsoft Excel, spreadsheets rows are labeled as dash dash. Right answer is options A. Next question. In Microsoft Excel, spreadsheets columns are labeled as dash dash. Right answer is options B. Next question. In Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet cells are labeled as dash dash. Right answer is option C. Next question. Microsoft Excel uses the dash dash functions to calculate the result in the data table. Right answer is option C, table. Next question. In MS Excel spreadsheets, data can be stored using dash dash. Right answer is options A, filter functions. Next question. In MS Excel's Control plus S can be used to dash dash. Right answer is options A, save. Next question. In MS Excel's keyboard shortcut key to create a new workbook is dash dash. Right answer is options D, Control plus N. Next question. In MS Excel's workbooks can be closed using keyboard shortcuts dash dash. Right answer is options B, Control plus W. Thank you.